Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to solve this type of question. Basically, this type of question is really tough for newbie because we don't know what to do in such type of question. So I have taken a question in um, easy type of design HashMap so that I can show you how to approach such type of questions. So basically, you have to design a HashMap. Okay. So when I first saw this type of question, I don't know what to do. Means I literally don't know. So I tried to solve in different types, means what to do, how to solve. So for them, I am just solving this question. So let's see what we can do. So basically, when we start this type of question, just see what you have to implement. Okay. So basically, it's given that you have to implement HashMap. So how HashMap works? So basically HashMap is something which stores key value, and you have to put key value pair in HashMap, and you have to find the value of key. Means when you will search something in HashMap using key, you will get a value. If the value is not present, you will get -1. And one more function is there, remove. If you will remove the key, value will also be removed. So how you are going to solve this question? Means how will you are you going to solve this question in Java or C++? Which data structure you have to use? Because it's clearly mentioned you don't have to use any built-in hash table libraries. Means you can't use any built-in function. Okay, so you can solve this question using array, linked list. I'm not going to discuss about time complexity because I don't know that how much time it will take the approach I am choosing. So I'm not worried about time complexity. I just want to solve this question. Okay, so first let's see how to approach. So first you have to, I am using list in C++. You can use linked list, or array in Java. You can use array or any type of data structure you want. Just see the logic behind it. Okay, so I am storing in list integer, okay, list integer v. Okay, and what is this HashMap? So your HashMap is a constructor of this class. So you have to initialize your variables here. Basically, in Java, we define these variables as private, but here you can define the way you want. So k equal to new array list. So anyone have any problem here, you can redirect to my Java videos and you can see how to write a hash map in Java. I have mentioned created one video and mentioned everything that is required to use built-in function in hash map. Similarly, you can use v equal to new array list integer. Okay, so this is the thing. Basically, you don't know the size of that hash map. That's why I'm defining like this. So you can add any number, anything, any means uh, any when you don't have any restricted size here. Okay, so I have created two variable, two list, and how we are going to put. So simply how you are going to add something to list. K dot add key, v dot add value. But since suppose if you have used HashMap in Java or C++ map, then you know if your key is present there, then uh, it will get replaced with the new value. So how you are going to implement that part? Okay, so I am creating a position, means finding the index of that position. Okay, if okay, index of, if my key is present. Okay, if my key is present, if my key is not present, then I will return -1. So you don't have to return anything, you just have to add here. Okay, if it's equal to -1, else we have to set the value to v dot set add index. You know the index and you know the value too. Okay, so you have added the value. Similarly, get, if your key is present. Okay, if your key is present here. Okay, just copying the thing, just see the concept, means how you are going to approach this question, how I am making this question easy for you. Okay, so pos position of index of key I am going to find. If pos equal to -1, you just have to return -1. And from where I am getting it, because it's written, you have to return -1. If there is no key, there is, this map contains no mapping for that key. Okay, it will return -1, else you have to return, else you are going to return the value of, okay, how are you going to get the value? Get, and v dot get, you just pass the position. Okay, you will get the value. And how you are going to remove that part? Okay, similarly, check the index. If first you have to check whether it is present or not. If it's not present, just return it. If it's present, okay, then you have to return the index as well as value. So v dot remove value, remove by position, and k dot remove by position. So basically you have seen that how to solve this question, and let's just run the code and see what's we getting. So accepted. So you can see that there is no error in this question. Just submit the question. So basically I'm not worried about time complexity here, so don't worry about, just see the concept and solve this such type of question. It will boost your confidence. And thank you, stay tuned for next week videos. Okay, thank you guys.